Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to unbox the best ever Kookaburra design that has ever been brought out on a silver coin. Now this isn't my opinion, this is the opinion of many stacking channels that I've watched over the last few months, and I kind of started off to research what the best Kookaburra design was, because I really like this 2022 design. I think it's, in my opinion, the nicest Kookaburra out of all of them, and that's because it's nice and simple. There's not too much going on. Really nice detail on these plants and this kind of building that the bird's sitting on. Really like the font. It's nice and simple, but it just looks really effective. So in my opinion, out of all the Kookaburra designs that I've seen, this is the best one. However, like I said, this coin that I've got to unbox today is kind of like the majority's favorite, if you like. There's many videos out there that say this design is the best design there is. So I decided to buy myself one to compare it to my favorite design so far and see how it matches up and see if it takes the limelight. So let's get straight into it. Now this arrived today. I had to pay a slight premium. I think it worked out about £52 including postage. So for a 1 ounce coin, that is quite a premium. The Kookaburras do tend to hold a bit of a premium anyway, just because of their designs, and I believe some of them are limited miniatures as well. If not, they might all be wow, look at that. Look at that. So this is the 2008. It stopped me in my tracks of I can't remember what I was even saying now. So this does look like a gorgeous design. It's like a reverse proof finish, like a frosted effect all the way over, and you've got this cobweb. The Kookaburra is sitting on a barbed wire fence, which in itself is really different, really interesting, instead of just kind of being like a stick or something. That is a really nice piece of silver. Now I can definitely see why there's many people out there that say this is the best design so far. And now I'm really in two minds. The backs on these coins always look really nice. Whatever design it is, the coins, the backs of them always just look really nice. Really cool how it's kind of got the frosted effect and the mirror effect. Now I'm really torn between these two. Now, in my opinion, the Kookaburra looks better on the 2022. There's more detail, there's more going on. This one, there isn't as much detail going on. It's quite a standard texture throughout the feathers. But the cobweb, you can't argue with how good that cobweb looks. I think that's what makes this coin, the cobweb and like the barbed wire and everything. So I think it's going to have to take the joint top spot for me. Let me know what you think in the comment section. What is your favourite year Kookaburra? You have to admit though, these are definitely up there. It's a really tough one. I still really like this design. I think I've got like 5 or 6 of these now, just because I think the design looks so good. But don't get me wrong, this design looks brilliant as well. Well worth the premium in my opinion. Absolutely gorgeous looking piece of silver. So yeah, let me know in the comment section, what year is your favourite Kookaburra design? I think for me now, these are both joint first. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.